Later that same day. Come on. Almost done. And then maybe we can finally relax. There. Done with my fair share. With your what? His fair share. That's what I call it. No, it's what I call it. You call it whatever the heck you call it. Whatever. I'll call it that then too. I am particularly done. I don't like those odds gray stripes. Scourge, please not now. I'm trying to get my fair share and finish it up. Okay? I just... Okay. I got them. Get in there, come on. Finally. Now I can rest. Right, Scourge? I can finally rest, right? You've done good today. Yes! That means I can rest with Cowpaw, right? Please. Fine, Gray Stripe. Go for it. Yes! Oh, move it, you weirdo. Move it, loser. No, you move it, loser. There. I get the pillow. Ha 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 ha. It's not even a pillow. Ow. The heck, dude? Thought we would share it. There's only room for one head on there. Yeah, and the head is me. No, it's not. You're not taking up the whole pillow. And even if we did share, like I said, you would take up the whole pillow. I don't care. Ow! Nice job, Gray Stripe. You kicked his butt. Yeah, but he's a cute pet. Yeah, but still. Kinda mean, honestly. I don't care. Of course you don't. Like you said, you're heartless, huh? Yep. And I still am. I don't care if you kill her or whatever the heck you do with her. Just get her out of my sight. With pleasure, Scourge. No! Ah! Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? I swear to StarClan. Where the heck are you taking me? Guys, come on. I still need to get my fair share here. Ugh. Fine, whatever. Let's go. Stop, I can't sleep with you on me. Fine. Those idiots. They are my friends though, and they are funny. But sometimes it can be a bit annoying. Like really stupidly annoying. It's not fair that they get a fair share and I hardly even get one. I mean, I guess I should be a little bit grateful because he did give me a fair share. But still, it's hardly even anything. So, like, does it really even count as a fair share? Really? Does it really count as a fair share? I don't think so. Right, now time to find this out. A few hours later, Blackpaw has finally flattened the food into the fresh kill pile and has cleaned it out of its sticks and leaves. Sort of. Now just this one. And there we go. I think that's might be my fair share done. There we go. There's still a lot more sticks in here, but hopefully he won't notice. And hopefully I still get to best. Maybe I should just like clear up the top. I don't think he would even bother look at the bottom. But it is a food source though. Whatever. I won't even look at the bottom. I just look at the top. If I was leader. I think that's enough food. I still have more food left to put in, but I think that's maybe enough. Now get these dumb potatoes. I guess I should probably put them in. I guess. Because, well, what's not to love about potatoes? Yes. This stinks. Or gray stripe, sorry. Yes, I thought I did well too. Thank you, Scourge. Thank you so much. And yes, it's fine about my name. Everyone gets it mixed up. Good night. Well, you want to grab a bite? Sure. What do you want? There's potatoes. Some. Only some. A lot. A lot. And I mean a lot of meat. And that's basically it. There's only 3 potatoes. Oh, that's fine. I don't really like potatoes. I'll just grab like 3 meats since we have like all of this. Alright, and I'll grab about 10 meats. 10 meats? Are you sure? Yeah, I am a cat, aren't I? Alright then, suit yourself. If you want to get a stomachache, be my guest. I'm not gonna get a stomachache, Snowflare. You see me eat 10 raw chickens. And look, I'm fine. Fine. Don't come crying to me when you have multiple stomach aches all of a sudden. Trust me, I won't. It's probably more than 10, but whatever, I can eat it all. A few hours later, after Snowfur and Scourge have finally eaten all of their meat, it was finally time for the two cats to take a rest after a long day of trying to get new members into the clan. That was nice, wasn't it, Snowford? Yeah, well, let's go to bed. No. Scourge. Okay. Fine. That I did. How about you, Snowfur? Yeah, I like it. It's nice and not all confusing. And it's facing your clan rock, so yeah, it's actually perfect. Thanks. I know it is. It obviously is because it was made by me. The one and only best. Alright, well, good night, Scourge. Good night, Snowfur.